Hi, and welcome to another episode of The Art of Delegation. I'm Joe, and I'm sure that you know this is the month when you can restart your passion and fall in love with growing your team. But why should you do this? I'll give you 3 reasons right now. This is the season to expand your team. Valentine's is right around the corner. This is a day in which love is celebrated throughout the world. There's no better time to rekindle your love for building your business and team than now. As people reach out to their significant others, you can start the process of adding new people and expand your workforce. Even though adding employees can be challenging, you have to remember that your employees are ultimately the people who make your company run. Virtual assistants can improve your company. Once you rebuild your love for growing your team, you should consider the possibility of adding a virtual team member whenever the opportunity presents itself. You may have some uncertainty when it comes to hiring a VA, but the truth is that virtual employees can be equally as productive as in-house employees, and we are more cost-effective. With current technology, you can hire a virtual assistant for a variety of positions, including administrative work, marketing position, happiness coordinator, billing assistant, you name it. GSU is proof that virtual employees work. Get Staffed Up LLC stands as proof of concept for virtual assistants. Not only are we more than 100 virtual employees working directly at the company, but we've also placed roughly 450 assistants with clients. Get Staffed Up has grown considerably in recent months, and our goal is to continue our growth into the distant future. We wouldn't have done this unless the concept of virtual assistantship was viable. If you'd like to learn more about all this, please visit our website and feel free to share and like this video. Don't forget to follow us on all social media for more tips on the art of delegation. See you next time.